I, 28F, almost lost my 3-year relationship with my boyfriend, Jake, 30M, over a fake tweet orchestrated by hackers. We're trying to reconnect now, but the scars are deep, and I need advice on rebuilding trust after social media chaos. Jake and I were rock solid. We'd been living together for 2 years, had a cat named Machi, and were planning a future, house, maybe even a ring someday. Our friends called us that couple, the ones who always seemed in sync. But 2 weeks ago, our world turned upside down. I woke up to my phone exploding, texts, calls, DMs from friends. My best friend, Sarah, sent a screenshot of a tweet from what looked like Jake's account, at Jake Rides Waves. It was awful. Him bragging about cheating on me with Sarah, with crude details and a jab at me for being oblivious. It had his profile picture, his handle, everything. The tweet was blowing up, 300 retweets, comments like, "What a jerk," or "You deserve better." Strangers were tagging me, some sending vile memes. I felt like I'd been punched in the gut. I confronted Jake immediately. He was half asleep, confused, and swore he didn't post it. His account showed no trace of the tweet. "Babe, I'd never do that," he kept saying, but I was too hurt to listen. Sarah called, crying, denying everything, but the screenshot felt so real. My inbox was flooded with messages from randos, some pitying, others cruel. I told Jake to leave and crashed at Sarah's, barely holding it together. The next day, things got weirder. Jake texted me, saying his account was locked. He'd been hacked. A friend, Alex, who's a cybersecurity pro, stepped in. After digging, he found the tweet came from a burner account, at Jake Rides Waves, with a Z, set up to mimic Jake's. The hackers had scraped his profile, copied his bio, and even posted old photos to make it convincing. Alex traced it to a dark web forum where a group of hackers bragged about targeting random couples for fun. They'd hacked Jake's email first, then used it to mess with his socials, posting the tweet to stir chaos. Alex reported it to X, and the account was suspended, but the damage was done. The fallout was brutal. The tweet had gone viral, with thousands of retweets and screenshots spreading to Instagram and Reddit. My coworkers saw it. One even asked if I was okay in a meeting, which felt humiliating. Strangers sent me hate, and someone leaked my work email, leading to creepy messages. Sarah's boyfriend got paranoid, causing tension in their relationship. I deactivated my ex account, but the shame lingered. I couldn't look at Jake without picturing that tweet, even knowing it was fake. Jake was a wreck too. He stayed with his brother, sending me long texts about how much he loved me and wanted to fix this. He worked with Alex to secure his accounts, changed every password, and even hired a lawyer to track the hackers, though Alex said it's nearly impossible. He kept saying, "I'll do anything to make this right." Sarah urged me to talk to him, saying we couldn't let faceless trolls win. Last week, I agreed to meet Jake at our favorite coffee shop. Machi was with him, purring in his carrier, which broke my heart a little. Jake looked exhausted but hopeful. He apologized not for the tweet, he didn't send it, but for how the chaos made me feel alone. We talked for hours, crying, laughing, and admitting how scared we were to lose each other. I realized I still loved him, but the trust was shaky. The public humiliation, the strangers' comments, the fear of it happening again. It all lingered. We're trying to reconnect now. Jake's been patient, suggesting couples counseling to rebuild trust. We've both gone private on social media, and he's teaching me about two-factor authentication to feel safer online. Machi's back home, and we've had a few good nights cooking together, but I'm still jumpy. Every notification makes me flinch, and I keep wondering if the hackers are watching. Last night, Jake held my hand and said, "We're stronger than this." I want to believe him, but it's hard. Has anyone rebuilt a relationship after social media drama like this? How do you trust again when hackers can just blow up your life? I want to move forward with Jake, but I'm scared. Any advice on healing and staying safe online? Stronger than this. I want to believe him, but it's hard. Has anyone rebuilt a relationship after social media drama like this? How do you trust again when hackers can just blow up your life? I want to move forward with Jake, but I'm scared. Any advice on healing and staying safe online?